Good morning, friend. I am Suraj Kumar Patel and I am welcoming to all of you at my YouTube channel only for civil services aspirants. Friend, in this video we will see in mathematics class 9 NCERT syllabus, that is topic is polynomial, in which we will see the what about the polynomial and what is the basic of its particular chapter. So we are going to start now. Our topic is polynomial. Friend, what is polynomial? When we are going to be define polynomial, like here, I just write the definition, then I will explain each and everything. What is polynomial? Friend, polynomial is an expression. Polynomial is an expression. Polynomial is an expression, underline this, which consists variable and constant, variables and constant, underline also this, as exponent of variable is non-negative integer, that is whole number also, whole number with arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operators, like there are four arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division also. Friend, here are 3 to 4 important terms, like you are able to see here, that is expression first one, then variable and constant, and exponent of the variable is always a non-negative number, non-negative integer, that is whole number, and at last I wrote they are all associated with the arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So I will explain each and everything before going to be giving an example. What is expression? Expression, actually here are two terms also, variable and constant. Friend, variable and constant are the two types of quantity, in which when we talk about the variable, in variable the value of any quantity, value of any function, that is they have always a changing value, means in variable we talk about that kind of value, their value always going to be changed, but in constant the value of any quantity always fixed. Like when we talk about any numbers like 1 2 3 4 and so on, they are always constant. But when we talk about the variable like arithmetic letters, like English alphabet letter like A B C X Y Z and so on, they always denotes some variable value, like they don't have any constant value. So here is variable and here constant. And when we are going to be explain expression, now I am write definition. What is expression? Expression is what? Expression is the combination of variable and constant with the arithmetic operation. See, in a very short definition I can write here, expression is the combination of constant and variable with arithmetic operation. Like plus, minus, multiplication and division also. I will give you an example, like here x plus 7. Here is variable x and constant is 7, and there is a arithmetic operation, that is addition. It means it is an expression. Like I can write here also y square plus 9. Here is variable, here is constant, and here is a arithmetic operation. We have to, for expression, we have to check it out three criteria. First one, variable, there is present, constant, and next one is arithmetic operation, either plus, minus, multiplication and division also. So we are able to understand what is variable, constant, expression, and at last the exponent. Exponent is what? Now I am giving example of any polynomial, like here is x square plus 7x plus 9, like here x square plus 9, like here x to the power 1 by 2 plus 5. See friend, here we have to check it out. For polynomial we have to check four criteria. First one, there must be expression variable, constant, and all variable and constant should be associated with the arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, and multiplication, division. And exponent of the variable is always a non-negative integer. Like here is a variable present, here is constant present, and here is also arithmetic operator present. But now we have to check it out the exponent of the variable. Like here is what is the exponent of the variable, that is 2, and 2 is a non-negative integer, hence it is a polynomial, correct? But now we see in example number 2, here is variable, here is constant, and here is arithmetic operator. And exponent of the variable is also here non-negative integer, that is also a whole number. It means there is also polynomial. But now when we are going to check it out, example number 3, here is variable, here is present, and here is arithmetic operator, but exponent of the variable is not whole number. Actually 1/2 is not whole number, that's why it is not a polynomial. I hope you are able to understand what is the polynomial. Now we have to talk about one very conceptual and very important theorem, that is factor theorem, regarding in a polynomial. So I am going to explain what is the factor theorem. See, factor theorem. Most of the students are facing so many problems regarding this particular theorem, but it is a very important theorem regarding polynomial. When you are going to be solve any polynomial, you have to be solve like any complex polynomial. By using factor theorem, you are able to be solve any types of polynomial in a very short manner. So first I write the statement of the factor theorem. See, if Px is any polynomial, and at x is equal to a, the value of function is equal to 0. It means there is two there means two observations comes out. First one, if at x is equal to a, p of a is equal to 0, that means x, if we transfer a to the leftward, that we will get x minus a is factor of the given polynomial. Factor is factor of given polynomial, that is p of x. And second one, if it is already given, that is x minus a is factor of px, that means at x is equal to a, the value of polynomial should be 0. There are two observations, and both are converse to each other. Means when you are saying that if x is equal to a, the value of polynomial should be 0, it means x minus is a factor of given polynomial. And on the other hand, we will say also, if x minus a is a factor of the polynomial, that means at x is equals to a, the polynomial should be 0. I will give you the example, and by example you are able to be understand what the actual statement of the factor theorem. So I wrote the statement like I give it an example of polynomial any, like x to the power 4 x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. There is a polynomial. Say question first, and we have to check it out. We have to check whether x plus 1 is the factor of polynomial or not. So by using the factor theorem, how we check it out whether it is a factor of given polynomial or not? See, when we are applying a factor theorem, you have to be always gx should be 0, equal to 0, like x plus 1 is equals to 0. You will get what? You will get minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. And now substituting the value of x in a given polynomial, like here when we put the value of x is equal to minus 1 in a given polynomial, we will get minus 1 to the power 4, minus 1 to the power 3, plus minus 1 square, minus 1 plus 1. What we will get here, like 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1.